This is a test of the emergency alert system. This system is activated for Amber Alerts, for when children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of incidents that pose threats to your life or property. If this were an actual emergency, you then would have directed to www.oralert.gov for more information. Your local broadcasters donate their airtime to deliver these messages. This test was originated by the Oregon Office of Emergency Management.